Hello YouTube, this is Central Chic. I've received my package from Hello Dolly's Nursery, Guardian Angels. But you can take a look at it. And here's the package. If I can open this with one hand.
Wow.
Huh?
I'm going to tear that.
Let you look at Julia while I open this.
We're doing some puppy.
Baby. You see the baby?
Huh?
You see the baby? And here's the beautiful onesie.
Here.
That's so cute. Just want to say thank you, Miss Laura and the dog group for choosing me.